Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. This is Starfish's once a month segment where I talk about marketing tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help you grow your business's online presence. In a world buzzing with content, video ads have taken the marketing realm by storm, reshaping the landscape of modern advertising. Crafting engaging and effective video ads is the new art form with potential to significantly enhance brand reach and return on investment. In this video, we'll explore the evolution of video ads, delving into the why, how, and the what of mastering video ads to boost engagement and ultimately ROI. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. We've made it our mission to give business owners the resources they need to help their businesses thrive. In each video, we'll delve deeper into another aspect of online marketing and provide practical insights and strategies that can make a difference in your online presence. From mastering the art of SEO to harnessing the power of social media, our content is designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. So, it comes as no surprise that video advertising is on the rise. By 2025, it's projected that the United States will invest a staggering $53.9 billion in mobile video ad spending. This astronomical investment signifies a monumental shift towards short-form video ads. The world is moving faster than ever before, and attention spans are shrinking to match, with more than a quarter of consumers saying that they will often close a video within 10 seconds. Because of this, platform-specific guidelines for ad length have become paramount. Instagram videos should not exceed 30 seconds. Twitter should be limited to 45 seconds, and Facebook videos should halt at a minute. But as a general rule of thumb, know that shorter is always better. As both ads and attention spans shorten, every second is precious. So it's important to craft compelling and engaging videos. One method to spark engagement is to incorporate compelling storytelling that sparks emotions, whether it's humor, empathy, or excitement. As well, visuals play a vital role. They should be vibrant, dynamic, and resonate with your brand identity. Another important element is the call to action. Integrating a strong CTA will guide your viewers on the next step, ensuring a clear and concise message. One of the primary challenges in video advertising is the issue of auto-playing ads with sound. A study conducted by TEEDS showed that 66% of viewers hate when video ads automatically play with sound. This annoyance has led to the rise of outstream video ads, which subtly integrate with content, mitigating irritation and enhancing engagement. These videos will only begin playing when the video is in the view page and will pause when out of view and play with sound muted by default. Outstream ads boost higher click-through rates and longer engagement duration compared to in-stream video advertising. Consumers' inclination towards soundless video experiences is unmistakable, with 85% of Facebook users watching videos with the sound off. Advertisers have responded by embracing captions, which not only enhance engagement, but also increase viewing time by 12%. Additionally, animated ads have emerged as a visually captivating alternative, catering to those who prefer a soundless yet engaging experience. Understanding what captures consumers' attention is critical in crafting successful video ads. One method is to appeal to the viewer's sense of curiosity. This can be achieved in many ways, but the most common is to place the most interesting aspect of your video at the beginning. Another engaging strategy is to tell a story through your ad. Regardless of length, the opportunity for storytelling is always present. You just have to get creative. Emotions are also an important tool in video advertising, profoundly shaping how viewers perceive and act upon content. Videos that evoke hope, happiness, excitement, and intrigue are most likely to go viral. Creating videos that appeal to emotional responses leave a lasting impression, and they tend to stick within the minds of your audience, resulting in a more engaged and loyal viewer. The last strategy to implement when creating high-performing video ads is optimization and A/B testing. Data-driven approaches are crucial for optimizing video ad performance, and A/B testing allows advertisers to experiment with different elements and strategies. Successful A/B testing can lead to improved return on investment and a better understanding of your target market. The journey of mastering video ads is an exciting exploration into the evolving world of digital advertising, adapting to consumer trends, leveraging the power of emotions, and employing data-driven strategies are imperative in creating high-performing video ads. As the video advertising landscape continues to evolve, businesses are encouraged to invest in this dynamic platform, implementing effective strategies to achieve optimum results and engagement and ROI. So if you have any questions about how your business can best implement video advertising, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you're interested in our video production services, check out the link in the description. And as always, if you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.